Let's install Laravel on Ubuntu 22.04. First, I'm going to SSH to the server on which I'm going to install Laravel. Great, we logged in, and the first thing I'm going to do is update my server. And we're up to date. Let's open the web browser and let's head over to laravel.com. And let's click on Get Started. And we got to the installation page. Let's choose your first Laravel project. And we can see that before creating your first Laravel project, you should ensure that your local machine has PHP and Composer installed. So let's start by installing PHP. And it's not written here, but we also need PHP XML and PHP curl. So let's install them as well. And we're also going to need to install zip and unzip. Great, so we're done with that. Let's move on to installing Composer. So let's click on the link and let's choose Download. And we can run this script, but I'm just going to download Composer manually. So let's scroll down a bit. And from here, we can download the latest version. So I'll right click on it and copy link. And let's now download it to our server, and I'm going to do it with wget. And if we list the files now, we can see composer.far, which is the file we just downloaded, which is Composer. Now, this is an executable file, so we need to add the executable permission to it. To add the executable permission, I'm going to use the chmod command. And if we now run ls-l, we can see that it now has the executable permission because of the X over here. So let's scroll back up. And we now need to move this file to user local bin. So let's do that. I'll copy it from here and I'll run it on my server. And it was moved. Let's get back to the Laravel website. And we can see that to create our Laravel project, we need to run this line. So let's copy it and let's run it on our server. And the first time is going to take a bit longer. And if we list the files now, we can see that a new folder was created for our new project. So let's change folder into this new folder. And we can start our Laravel application by running php artisan serve. Now, since we're going to access this application from a different computer, we're also going to need the host flag. So --host. And I want to allow access from any IP address, so I'll go with 0.0.0.0.0. Serve, not server. And the PHP Laravel server was started. And let's access it from the Windows machine. So I'll type in the IP address of the server. And as we can see over here, we need port 8000. So this is the port I'm going to access. And we can see that everything was installed correctly and we get access to our Laravel application.